Certificates, there are some faults which I am going to highlight. Most of the certificate issued today in such events do not contain serial number or any reference number. I think it is a big fault. Certificate issued digitally but have no serial number. That means anyone can make similar certificate digitally himself or herself with the help of original certificate, using it as a template. Numbers of certificate may be produced. No one can identify or trace whether it was issued actually or not. Another thing, I found sometimes that the issuer or the certificate provider do not put the date of issue. I think it should not be the practice. You are issuing a certificate without date, that means you are signing without a date. Is it valid? I don't think so. Another thing is backup of certificate. Someone giving a certificate, but if he or she do not keeps its backup or the data to whom the certificate was provided, that means anyone can make similar certificate and may claim that I have received this from you. You cannot prove that, at least after few years. You cannot remember that whether you have provided this or not. Your certificate should have the scope for online verification. Almost no one, at least, who are organizing this type of event like seminar organizer, do not think about the online verification process. But I think it should be do so. Without online verification, no one can verify whether it was issued or not. And online verification without certificate number, I think, is not possible.